Are you tired of the usual Chinese New Year cookie? In this video, we're going to show you how we can make delicious homemade Cranberry biscuit in just an hour time. So let's get right to it. The required ingredients are butter, white sugar, cake flour, dry cranberry, and eggs. Other items like baking paper and highly recommends to have cookie mold tray. Here we go and let's get started. We are using the Tokit Omni Cook Recipe to give us a step-by-step guide. Tokit Omni Cook has many pre-recorded recipes inside this smart cook machine. Once we have selected our desired recipe, in this case the Cranberry biscuit, and with a click of a button, we can just follow each procedure effortlessly. Firstly, put 120 grams of white fine sugar into the mixing bowl, followed by 120 grams of dried cranberries. Step 2, we got to smash the ingredient. Before that, of course, we need to cover the lid and check if it's really secured. Once you are done, click on the button to let this smart machine does its heavy smashing job. After 10 seconds, you will see this well-blended sugar and dry cranberry mixture. Step 3. Add 200 grams of butter, 400 grams of cake flour, and 2 eggs into the mixing bowl. Once we are done, similarly, cover the mixing bowl with the lid and make sure that it is well secure. The next step, we got to mix all the ingredients just by the click of a button once again. This will mix the ingredient uniformly in just 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, you can see how the ingredients is mixed into a nicely done dough. Next, take out the mixing bowl and place the dough into a mold that you have prepared earlier with baking paper. At the beginning of the video, we recommend to prepare a biscuit mold tray just like this U-shaped tin, as this allows us to have a more uniform pieces when it is cut. However, if you are like me, unable to get hold of one, you can just use any container to hold the dough, and after that, just follow your heart and inclination to have any form of shape for your cookies. After that, place the container or the cookie tin mold with the dough into the fridge and freeze for 1 hour.
1 hour later.
After an hour later, this is how the frozen dough will look like. Take out the frozen dough and cut it into biscuit slice with a uniform thickness. As you can see, as we are not using the biscuit mold tray, we can surely go wild with our imagination in forming the cookie shape. Lay each of the cookie dough nicely in the tray and you can start sending them right to your oven to bake. But before that, you need to preheat your oven at 170 degrees. After that, you are ready to send them into the middle layer of the oven and bake for about 16 minutes. You can tell the excitement, especially from a little kid, as she is caught keep checking out the oven. Time's up! Wow! It looked very promising and of course, it smelled delicious too. Do remember to cool the biscuit for a while so that they can be more crispy. What do they taste like? Let our little taster to give you the critics. If you like this video, subscribe now to view more similar video in the future. Want to know more about Tokit Omni Cook? Click on this video here.
Pagi now.